Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, Euro USD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have bullish candle sort of. Okay, and the price still above the EMA. Okay, so looks like who knows? We might go up now and maybe take this high, maybe this high. Time will tell. Okay. So coming back to daily time frame, we are still just near the EMA. So this is your new low, but this is not your new low. Okay. Now, if you go and watch my video on this candle, which was on 13th November, okay? So when this candle closed, when I recorded the video around this date, I told you that downtrend is over. When the price was here, I told you this downtrend is over, okay? And see what happened. This is your uptrend, pullback, and most likely we will go up, okay? Time will tell. We might bounce back and go down and create a new low, who knows? But I told you here, because this downtrend you see and this uptrend you see, this is more than 78%. Okay, so if I use my fib levels in a downtrend, so you see this blue candle closed above 78%. That means it was not a pullback of a downtrend. Do you understand? So this candle broke above the 78%. That means that was not going to continue downtrend. However, this move is for people who panicked. Okay, this was a correction, this was a pullback. So if you use your fib levels for the uptrend, now you see, and now you see this red candle has taken a sexy deep pullback for 78%. Do you understand now? So this is your uptrend, 78% sexy pullback, and now price is trying to push up. Okay, now this is the EMA, so we'll take some pressure. We'll have to have some gas to pass the EMA or close above the EMA. Remember, I think Thursday was bank holiday, and then Friday, Thursday was bank holiday in America, and Friday don't have liquidity anyway. So Thursday, Friday did not have much fuel, so that's why these two candles you see here. I think price will go above the EMA. So coming back to 4-hour, we are still above the EMI. That is your entry. Okay, so if you come back for long position, this was your rejection or this is your bullish. So either you enter long here or you enter long here. Okay, so look for longs, I would say. But come back to Delhi if you want. Yeah, this is your hammer, bullish hammer. Okay, so I don't see price going down for next maybe 1 to 2 days. Okay, it might eventually come down, but for next 2 days in Euro USD, I don't see going short. Okay, because this is your Friday hammer, and you can see buyers taken over, and you know what this candle means. Okay, so I don't think we're gonna go down for now. We may, but not for, at least maybe not for 48 hours. Okay, so again, coming back to 4 hour, I see clear entry here. This rejection has come from the EMA, bullish engulfing. I think we have all the proofs for long only. So subscribe, like if that's not too much.